everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life Trend. Thanks so much guys for tuning in. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys for amazing support. And if you are new, you are welcome. Please don't hesitate to press the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Guys, the River season 3 finale left us on our feet. We've been asking ourselves who will die between Lindiwe and Tumi. After Film Pillar, the entertainment commentator, reported one of the leading role is leaving the show. Most assumed, including myself, it's Lindiwe since she got promotion. At the same time, fans promised not to watch the River anymore if Lindiwe leaves. Guys, it's time to celebrate. The Queen, Madlabantu Lindiwe Mamtikana, is going nowhere. It was the sad ending though. Mother and the daughter recently worked very hard on their relationship. Lindiwe had a chance to kill Tumi after she found out the truth about Mbali's death, but she didn't. Instead, she loved Tumi dearly. It was unfortunate that Tumi left Lindiwe with no choice after she planned to expose him. Lindiwe might have killed Tumi, but the source of her problem, Muhumi, is still alive, so the battle is not yet over. In that note, farewell to Tumi. She's been an amazing character from season 1 until today. We've seen her growing as an actress, and that was a beautiful experience to all of us. Tumi is a lawyer by profession. We are not sure yet if she will continue with her acting career or she will focus on her profession. We wish her all the best. Guys, I know that you are happy that Madlabantu is not leaving the show. Let's celebrate together on the comment section. Please guys, check the full episode of the last episode of The River. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you on my next upload. Bye.